Hi, I'm Keith, founder and general manager of Tuck, and today we'll be reviewing the Leesa Mattress. Helping us test the mattress today, we have our lightweight sleeper Rachel, our average weight sleeper Jackson, and our heavyweight sleeper Isaac. Setting up the Leesa mattress is easy. We recommend having help because even though the mattress comes compressed, it's a bit bulky and heavy for one person. Move the mattress to its final destination, unbox and unwrap it, and watch it come to life. Full recovery should happen within the first 1 to 2 days. The Leesa is a 10-inch mixed foam mattress. The cover is made from woven polyester and Lycra spandex. The comfort layers are made up of 2 inches of 3.65 PCF LSA200 proprietary foam and 2 inches of 3 PCF memory foam. The support core consists of 6 inches of 1.8 PCF high-density polyfoam. The feel of a mattress is largely determined by its firmness and construction. This tends to be fairly uniform across each mattress type. We have placed the Leesa at a 5 on the firmness scale, making it a medium mattress. It conforms snugly to the body, offers some bounce, but is not the most responsive, which puts it on par with other all-foam mattresses. In the mattress world, support is defined as spinal alignment. In this test, we'll be looking at how well each of our sleeper spines are kept in alignment when lying on their side. Our testing found the Leesa to offer good support across all sleeper weights. Motion isolation refers to how well a mattress isolates or absorbs motion. This is important for co-sleepers, so you don't feel your partner's movements across the surface of the bed. We found the Leesa mattress exhibited very good motion isolation, as shown by the water test Isaac performed on the mattress. Edge support refers to how much your mattress holds you up or pushes back against you while sitting on or sleeping close to the side of the bed. Mattresses with worse edge support are harder to get in and out of and can leave sleepers with a feeling of roll-off, which is akin to the mattress ejecting the sleeper. Our testing showed the edge support on the Leesa to be fair, which is similar to other all-foam mattresses. Using our 2D and 3D pressure mapping tools, we're able to look at how well mattresses relieve pressure on the body. You'll notice the scale goes from blue to green to yellow to red, indicating increasing amounts of pressure pushing back against each sleeper. When it hits red, there's a higher likelihood of reduced blood flow in those specific sections of the body. Our testing found that the Leesa mattress offers good pressure relief, especially for back sleepers. Temperature neutrality refers to whether a mattress disperses heat from your body, allowing for breathability and airflow. Our testing found that the Leesa mattress can sleep hot, but is generally cooler than its other similarly constructed all-foam counterparts. Now, let's review how the Leesa stacked up in our mattress testing. This mixed foam mattress received a very good rating for light and average weight support, but only fair for heavier sleepers. The motion isolation is very good with the Leesa mattress. The Leesa mattress has fair edge support, which is similar to other all-foam mattresses, but good pressure relief and temperature neutrality. Heavier weight sleepers may want more support than the Leesa mattress offers. The fair edge support may turn off some people that have a harder time getting in and out of bed or sleep very close to the edge of the mattress. We recommend this mattress for back and side sleepers, including those that suffer from lower back pain. Those sleepers like a feeling between floating on top of a mattress and sinking into it could be a great fit for the Leesa mattress. We recommend the Leesa for anyone that wants to support companies with charitable aims. Leesa donates 1 mattress for every 10 purchased and has other programs around helping the homeless through dream galleries and much, much more. If you're considering the mattress, Leesa offers a 100-night sleep trial. You can sleep easy knowing that you can test the mattress for up to 100 nights to ensure that it's the right fit. Additionally, the mattress ships free and comes with a 10-year warranty. For up-to-date pricing and discounts available exclusively for Tuck followers, check out the description below or visit the written review on tuck.com. That's it for our review. Please give us a like and subscribe to our channel if you found this helpful. Visit tuck.com to read the full written review and to continue your sleep search. If you'd like a personalized recommendation from one of our team, please comment below and we'll get back to you as soon as possible. Sleep well.